In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. Meta AI is an incredibly versatile tool built right into Instagram. It functions as a chatbot, a search assistant, and a creative helper all in one. You can use it for various tasks like asking questions, writing captions, generating images, and even getting help inside direct messages or in the search function. Let's start by exploring how to use Meta AI in Instagram search. First, you need to open the Instagram app on your device. Now, once you have the app open, tap on the search bar, which is usually represented by the magnifying glass icon. From there, you will see either the option Ask Meta AI or a blue AI icon. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you've tapped on Ask Meta AI, you can type your question. You might want to ask for something like the best cafes in Davao or an explanation of cryptocurrency in simple terms. You could even ask for caption ideas. Once you have typed in your question, go ahead and tap send. You will notice that Meta AI replies instantly, either right there in the search screen or in a chat-style window. This quick response makes it a handy tool for getting information on the go. Next up, let's look at how you can use Meta AI in direct messages. Head over to your Instagram DMs by tapping on the message icon, which usually looks like an envelope. Once you're in the DM section, tap on New Message. Here you can either select Meta AI from your contacts or use the search function to find Meta AI if it's not immediately visible. With Meta AI selected, you can start chatting just like you would in a normal conversation. For example, you might ask it to help you write a bio, summarize a topic, or create a travel plan. The AI is designed to keep the conversation going smoothly, providing assistance just like a human would. This is particularly useful because it allows you to have an ongoing dialogue, making the interaction feel more personal and intuitive. As a bonus feature, Meta AI can also help you create AI-generated images. While you're chatting with Meta AI, you can type commands like /imagine a sunset beach in anime style or create a futuristic city at night. When you do this, it generates images right inside your Instagram chats. This feature is exciting because it can bring your creative ideas to life in a visual format. Now let's wrap up with a quick overview of what Meta AI can do. It can answer your questions, write captions and bios, explain complex topics, generate images, give ideas and recommendations, and help with content creation. These capabilities make it a powerful tool for enhancing your Instagram experience. Before we finish, here are some important notes to keep in mind. If Meta AI doesn't appear, you may need to update your Instagram app. Also, the availability of Meta AI depends on the rollout in your country or for your specific account. Lastly, you cannot fully remove Meta AI from Instagram. However, you can avoid or mute it if you prefer not to use it. With all that ready, you now know how to use Meta AI on Instagram. I hope this guide helps you make the most of this innovative feature. Thank you for joining me today.